Okay, we're going to show you the battery. I did find a Lipo. These 2200 mAh Sky Lipos, 7.4, they're only 20C. I really should get 11.1 to try it, but the 7.4 seems to work okay. And if you look, it fits in the battery box a little tight, but it does fit in the battery box. And the rate of fire we'll do in the Chrono test that's coming up. You'll be able to see it's really not that high with a 7.4. I'm hoping that it would be like 330, 340, but we'll see on the Chrono, and at least 12 or 14, but that might be something with the feed. What happened is the feed wheel inside the high cap that's inside the box mag here ripped inside here, and this is the bad part, and I replaced it, but there is a synchronous motor with a shaft in there, and it's not quite grabbing good as it goes around, and I think it misses every once in a while, so I might need to be getting a new motor for that. But other than that, it is feeding, it is shooting, and we're going to do a Chrono test next and see how everything's working out. This is definitely one other thing that I want to mention. This does not go full semi-only, so I would not be able to use this anywhere where it's required to semi-only. It does shoot about 100 feet, 115 feet, no problem. I'm hitting 125 feet. I think past that I'm really not going to get anything. I was actually getting better results with .20s. It's a bit of a waste, but because they're all over the place. But I put 2.5s in here for the Chrono, and we're going to see how it works out. Chrono section. Chrono set for .25 BBs. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here more, so hopefully you can see better. And we've got .25 BBs in the 30 caliber. Let's see. I have to do full auto, so it's going to be like, try to get it level here, see what I get for FPS. Well, it helps take it off safe. Safety first, I guess. 328, which is roughly 8.7. It's a really low rate of fire with this 7.4. Let's give it another shot here. 327. 327. Okay, now we're getting a little bit better rate of fire. Now we're getting 13. I think the BBs are not feeding as well as they were before. Let's see. Okay, our FPS is dropping here as the battery drops, and we're back down to 8. That's kind of low. Maybe do a little bit better with 11.1, but we are misfeeding a little bit, and I think that's because of the problem that I had with the feed unit. That's a steady 325, which is 8 rounds a second. So that's about the Chrono on that. The 325, it is not shooting that hot, but the rate of fire is just not there. Okay? Just thought I'd let everybody know. I did find a quick 11.1 to hook up to it just so we can see. And that was the last Chrono 325 681, which is roughly 11.3. So let's see if we can get about the same, 680. There's 326, 15, 324, 952, which is 15 as well. There's 800, which might be getting down to 14, yeah. Okay, so there we go. Finally got one. 326, 16.9. Okay, put this on safe. So I'm going to say that average is 14 to 16. On the 7.4, we're definitely only getting 8. That never moved much. But on the 11.1, we are getting about the same, 324 to 320, let's say 325 average, with anywhere from 14 to 16 rounds per second. Final conclusion, as you saw from the Chrono and the batteries, we're getting about 325, 8 rounds a second. It did jump up there at about 13 on the one. I'm not quite sure what was going on with that, but it was maintaining 325 with 8 rounds a second. So it's not really a fast gun. Maybe on 11.1 I might try it and see if we get anything better out of it. But I think that's just about the limit that I'm going to have. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you watched the first part of the video. T330 caliber revisited. Have a good day. The fuck was that?